Educational organizations are increasing the frequency of their routine cleanings while also preparing to do environmental cleaning and disinfection. Let's take a look at how Dude Solutions can help you track this work. Here we have a work order to clean and disinfect all areas of a classroom building. And we're looking at this from our mobile app, which allows us to have all the information that we need right in front of us. As I go to complete this work order, I have the ability of updating the status of the work, tracking my labor time, seeing where the work is at, and a full list of tasks and procedures we need to perform to complete our work. When we're done, we can quickly mark off all of our tasks that were completed. We also have the ability of tracking supplies that we need to do the work and any attachments and documentations we may need to have access to, like safety programs. In turn, by tracking this work, we now have the insights to share with key stakeholders on how often we're performing this work. Interested in knowing more about how Dude Solutions can help you track the work that you're doing to keep your facilities safe, clean, and secure? Visit our website, dudesolutions.com, or give us a call at 866-989-3833.